Repetition and consistency are basis of knowledge. Hi guys, how are you? It's again Improve Your Vocabulary video series. And today we'll learn another group of words that help you speak like a real Englishman. Okay, no need to waste time for redundant words, and let's get started. AI will control the nearly all spheres in future. But what about the results of that advancement? Will they be banal or shocking? The age of artificial intelligence is approaching. Lots of governments are investing millions to develop it. But outcomes are still blurry. They can be both banal or shocking. Mmm, banal? Can you explain its meaning? If you can't, let me do it for you. So, banal is the word that has the meaning of being boring, not original. Banal things lack of freshness and novelty. So, will the results of advanced artificial intelligence be boring, ordinary, or shocking, surprising? That's unclear for us now. Alright, now you have caught the meaning of the word. Let's see some more examples. Example 1. Modern music world is full of banal songs. Lyrics are simple, daily words, and on top of that, they are repetitive. Example 2. I usually receive some local newspapers which are full of banal articles. They are only about prices of products and services in the area. In those two sentences, you can see the word banal means to be boring, plain, not so interesting. If you agree with me, most of the modern songs are banal. They don't have any surprising or interesting theme. Lyrics and their melodies are also repetitive. Once you listen to them, then you don't want to hear them at all. And the local newspapers that I get are also banal. They have big pages full of advertisements of local products and service. It is hard that I can get some interesting information from them. Okay, now I'm gonna do an untraditional work here. I'll explain not a single word but a couple of words because they often come together when a speaker compares two opposite qualities of an illness or some results of an attempt. And the words are benign or malignant. Benign or malignant. When they come together, the words refer to illness. Benign means mild, harmless, and not threatening to health, while malignant means severe, evil in nature, tending to produce death and sometimes cancerous. Reading following examples gives you a clear vision of the meaning of the words. Example 1. Doctors don't know about the tumor in his pancreas. They are not sure if it is benign or malignant. So the doctors don't know exactly whether the tumor is harmful or safe. Example 2. Since being environmentally benign, I prefer paper bags rather than the plastic ones. It's clear for all paper bags are environmentally friendly because it's easy to get rid of them. On the other hand, plastic bags don't decay, and the gases which emit from burning them are harmful for environment. Therefore, paper bags are preferred and recommended by many. Example 3. Humanity should have a malignant hatred for negative habits that ruin their life. What are negative habits that are taking you down? Can you recognize and fight them to make your life better? To become a kinder and more caring person for those around you? Always think about curing your bad habits and win your laziness. Then you will be on a right way towards regular progress. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.